Azul the turtle swims with care through foamy waves and salty air, with friends who follow one by one. They love to learn and have some fun. Starfish, dolphins, seahorses too, all say hello, we welcome you. Azul holds shells, he counts a few. Two bright fish and two seagulls flying in the breeze. Two colourful shells by Azul's side. Two small crabs that like to hide. Two surf waves roll to the shore. Then two more waves makes four in all. The dolphins leap and shout with glee. Two is the way we count numbers, you see.
Next swims Pearl, a pretty seal. She says, I want to learn words too, for real.
Two means also as well, you see. Pearl wants to learn like you and me. A bright orange starfish pops into view. He says, I love to count shells too. Can I join the seahorse cry? Yes, you can too, Azul replies.
Then Azul points and says, let us go to the reef where corals grow.
Two shows where we will go or be, to the rocks beneath the sea.
They swim to caves of old stone.
They swim
To rocks where fish have homes. To help show the path and way.
to places where creatures swim and play.
They stop to look and stop to read. Stop to count and stop to feed. Two can join with the words we do, like to jump, to hop, and to chew.
They all join fins in gentle light. They learn each word and get them right. Azul smiles wide and says, hooray, we used our words the proper way. Now let us think before we go. The three small words we now all know. Two is the number after one. Two means also or as well.
What fun!
To shows a place or joins a verb, these little words are easy to learn. We hope you had fun today, learning how to use these words in the correct way. Now go have fun and practice lots. See you next time.